Kia ora, Deegan. Have a seat. Do you want to play a game with me?
Kua whai wāhi mai ko te reo Māori ki te whakamātau whakarongo.
I want you to point to the picture that you hear. Are you ready?
Kei he te kōtiro.
Ko te kaupapa nui I te timatanga, we worked with our hapori Māori, so our whānau that have ākonga that are turi Māori, as well as hearing, our community health workers, as well as anyone that kind of had an interest in this space.
Kei he te māra.
Nā ngā raukura no te whare wānanga o Waitaha I whakarewaina ai tēnei whakamātau whakarongo I roto I te reo Māori. E ai kia Jen Smith, he tangata turi hoki, he tuatahi tangata tēnei momo whakamātau whakarongo.
I have always been known, even in my turi Māori community, as a bit of a nanikia. Turns out I just couldn't hear. There's a large percentage of Māori children that have hearing impairments, and then with some support to get some hearing aids, to support my teachers to understand that I needed a little bit of extra, maybe in terms of seeing their faces when they talked. My learning really grew from there.
Neke atu I te 26 pahianati o ngā tamaiti Māori e noho turi ana kei ngā kura auraki. Ko tā Grego Byrne e toru ngā whakamātau kua waihanga e rātou kia māma ake mō ngā tamariki.
The first test is what's called a Kendall toy test. It's a picture pointing test, and we can test kids right down to 2 years of age. The next test is a sentence-based test, so it's a short 5-word sentence. You can either repeat back what you heard or press the buttons on a screen. And then the last test is a single word test where you'd hear one word at a time in quiet and just say back what you heard. And that's similar to the English versions of those tests that are out there at the moment. And that was really important so that audiologists know how to interpret those results.
Nā te piki haere o ngā tamariki reo Māori, he āhei ngā pai tēnei mō ngā whānau mo te taha ahurea me te taha hauora.
I'm not Māori, but I'm pleased to be able to help out in a sort of a ha'awawhiria way. So it's a braiding of Western audiological science and mātauranga Māori, and I'm contributing the biomedical side of things to ensure that the tests are really accurate and perform best for Māori.
Ko te reo te Māori o te mana Māori, that's it. We just need access to culturally appropriate hearing healthcare, and this is just one little part of that.
Hei ngā marama e heke mai ana, ka puta mai e nei whakamātau whakarongo mō ngā tamariki.
Kōrero mai, moni.
Shakayla Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.